guys, welcome. I'm really glad you are here, and we're going to go into a little bit more technical stuff now in relation to Amazon. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'm really glad to be on this journey with you. And when I first got started with online business, I didn't have a mentor, I didn't have anybody to sort of show me what to do, and it was a very confusing, very frustrating process of actually trying to pick a product. Does anyone feel that way? Like in terms of choosing a product? Raise your hands if it's a bit frustrating. And I believe it all comes down to lack of clarity. You might be tracking a few products right now on eGrow. You might be sort of looking at stuff and you're seeing profits, but you don't know whether that's really it. And you may be wondering about a few other things, like is there too much competition? You know, is there too many people selling this particular product? Is there enough margin in it? Am I making enough money on the product sales? How many do I have to sell per month to actually break even? And there's all this other stuff, like how do I make sure that it's going to be a quality product? How do I make sure it's not going to fall apart as soon as my customer opens it up? You know, and there's so many factors. So really, a lot of people need clarity. So we're going to look at that today, and I want you to focus and think a little bit bigger, because a lot of people, when they get first started on Amazon, is they just focus on just selling one product, and that's their mind. What is that one product? And it'd be kind of good if you just, when you get started, to focus on selling not one product, but a brand. Think about that. How do I sell a brand, not a product? Because you don't want to just bring in one product. That's not how you make a lot of money. Yeah, sure, there are products out there that are doing incredible numbers, doing 20, 30, 50K, 100K products. Anyone seen on eGrow products that are making over $100,000, right? And it's just one product, right? But you don't see behind the scenes, it may have taken a while to build up to that. You've got to look at also their other products in the range. So, you know, you should be focusing on the niche that you want to be in and multiple products in that niche. And ideally, you want them to be relatable. You want them to be in the same niche. And I've spoken to some students, most of you guys I've probably had a word with. They focus on different products and as their first products. And it's kind of like you guys walking into a butcher and he's trying to sell you sausages, and then next to that there might be, he's trying to sell you a toaster, and then he's trying to sell you a wedding dress. It doesn't make sense, right? So that's why you'd be like, what? You know, that's why you want to focus on having 3, 4, 5 relatable products in the same niche, because you never know really what product is going to be your winner. It could be your first product, it could be your second product, it could be your fourth product. You never really know, and that's kind of why you want to be testing different products when you first get started. And we're all about testing. I'm a marketer. I've always been sort of a marketer in terms of products. I'm always testing, because I don't know. I mean, sure, you can look at the stats on eGrow and see they're making money, but you still got to test, and you still got to test small quantities. Write that down, small quantities. That's what it's all about. It's about risk mitigation. We've got some people speaking this afternoon about that, but it's about minimizing your risk.